This is just a short video to show you how to measure for a tailored Henry Herbert suit. There are two important things you need to know before you measure. Number one, always measure in inches, and number two, just keep your normal posture. It's always good to have a friendly and willing person to help you measure, because some of these measurements you won't be able to do on your own. There are 10 measurements we're going to take, 5 for the jacket and 5 for the trousers. Those 10 measurements are the jacket length, the crown to cuff, which is the sleeve measurement, the half back measurement, the chest and the jacket waist. The 5 trouser measurements we're going to take are the trouser waist, the seat measurement, the outside leg, the inside leg and the cuff measurement. So the first measurement we're going to take is the jacket length, and for this you just take the back and we measure from the nape all the way down to the bottom of the seat, and normally it will be somewhere level with just the lower part of your wrist. The second measurement is called the crown to cuff measurement. To do this we just turn sideways to the tape measure and we find the shoulder bone and put the tape measure 0.5 millimeter above that shoulder bone, and we measure firstly towards the elbow and then secondly down towards the wrist. The third measurement is called the half back measurement, and again we just turn the back and we find the inside of the arm and we just measure along to halfway across the back. So from the inside of the arm all the way over to the half back measurement. This fourth measurement for the jacket is the chest measurement, and for this we ask that you stand to attention with your legs together and just to raise your arms gently like that, and then I will come round to the side of the body, arms down, and then we just meet in the middle with one finger between the tape measure and the body, and that is your chest measurement. For this fifth and last measurement for the jacket, we take the jacket waist measurement, and that just goes over the tummy button. So standing to attention, legs together, raising both arms slightly, and we come round all the way around the body, over the belly button, arms down, breathing normally. And for this measurement we don't normally have a finger, so it's just where the tape measure meets in the middle with no finger between the body and the tape measure. Now we're going to take the 5 measurements for the trousers. The first measurement we take is called the side seam. So again, the body sideways to the tape measure, standing to attention with your legs together, and just raise your right arm slightly so you can bring the tape measure in from your hip all the way down to your heel. So just finding the hip on the body, measuring all the way down to the heel of the body. For the second measurement for the trousers, we take the inside leg measurement, and for that we measure from the upper apex all the way down to the heel on the foot. So for this we ask you stand to attention, legs apart, and then we just find the upper apex measurement all the way down towards the heel. The third measurement we take for the trousers is the trouser waist measurement, and for this we ask that you stand to attention with your legs together and just raise your arms slightly so you can bring in the tape measure. For this it's careful to note that the tape measure must not catch on the trousers, so it's just sitting above your normal trouser position. Just check that it's not catching on anything, and then you give it a gentle tug, and where the tape measure meets itself is your trouser waist measurement. Here there is no finger between the tape measure and the body. The fourth measurement for the trousers is called the seat measurement, and for this we ask you stand to attention with your legs together and just raise both arms slightly so you can bring the tape measure all the way around the seat of the body. Again, just make sure it's in the correct position with the arms down, and it should be over the fullest part of your seat. Always have one finger between the tape measure and the body. The fifth and last measurement is the cuff measurement of the trousers, and for this we just ask that you put your arms down by your side, legs apart, and you take the tape measure all the way around the ankle as tight as you can. Again, with no finger between the tape measure and the ankle. Remember, every Henry Herbert suit is made in England using the finest fabrics. I hope this film has been useful for you, and thanks very much for watching.